The Man of Life Upright. This beautiful poem is written by Thomas Campion. In this poem, the poet portrays the virtues of a pious, virtuous, and righteous man. An upright man is undaunted, fearless, and intrepid. He stands firm on the roots of righteousness and piety. He uses his unwavering and unflinching resolution to adhere to the rules of right despite all the tyranny and suppression. This is why he is not scared of any terror. An upright man owns nothing, but he possesses all. That is an exemplary character and a peaceful conscience.